What's up, guys? So what I'm doing here today is I got a package finally in the mail. And what I got here is 4 brand new ABS sensors for the Mini Cooper S. Now let me show you guys what's going on. Ever getting your Mini? You go to start it up. And then you got the ABS light. The ABS, the brake is on because the e-brake is up right now. But then you have the hazard light and the tire pressure light all at the same time. The seatbelt light will come off. The seatbelt light will come off as soon as I put my seatbelt on. And the trunk is open right now. That's why the trunk light is on. I have the NRG steering wheel, quick release steering wheel, so the factory airbox is not here. Hence the reason that that airbag light is on. But what we're solving today is you get in your car, sometime that ABS light will be on along with these 2 lights. And you're like, what's going on? You know, I didn't press the DSC or anything like that for the traction to come on. This guy feels the need to come right in my space. What do you want, Max? I'm shooting a video. Anyway, so these are due to the ABS sensors. One of the speed sensor / ABS sensor are bad. Now they're kind of intertwined into each other. The whole tires, ABS, and traction, they're all intertwined in the same sensors, right, Max? Gonna change out all 4 of these sensors because I'm not sure which one is bad. I mean, none of them has ever been changed before, so instead of testing one after the other, I'm just gonna change out all 4 of them. I'm gonna link a description down below on where I got these, because normally these sensors are about, what are they? I saw them for 90 bucks. I saw them for $100 each. You know, original OEM. But these are aftermarket. And I actually got all 4 of them, I think, for $30. So I'm gonna link that description below and let you guys know where you can get these. And then at the end of this video, we're gonna see if the problem has been solved. Excuse the mess, guys. I was shooting a video. I tore down the quad and tore out the engine out of it, sent the engine out to get rebuilt. I did shoot a video for you guys. These are actually all the parts over here. But the video got corrupted on my SD card. Okay, guys, so it's pretty easy to change these sensors. They're pretty straightforward replacement job. For the front, you have to take off the wheel. I'll show you guys where that's at because it's literally like right behind the rotor where the sensor is mounted. As a matter of fact, no, that's actually the brake line. But I'll show you guys where that at. But in the back, it's a little bit easier in the back. Got the wheel off. And if you look in here, this is where the sensor sits. Speed sensor / ABS sensor sits right behind the rotor. So I'm just gonna pull that out. As you can see, the wire just basically comes around, goes behind this plastic cowling here, and comes up to right here. And that is where you just disconnect and hook up the new sensor. Make sure the leads are clean. And that's for the front. So I'm going to just change out the front now and then change out the back ones. All right, so the sensor is in. It is in finally. I mean, it was a little challenging. Here's at the top, just tuck it right in to get the sensor in, because the old ones were very, they were like rotted, rust, everything in these things, they're corroded. So as you can see, this one never came out in one piece. I actually had to drill this one out for it to come out. But you know, those are some of the small challenges you got to deal with. So all good. It's out. The new one's in. That's what it's all about. One sensor left on the back. All right, guys. So when you got the car on jacks, you come towards the back. Now you can easily, accessibly see how easy it is to get to this sensor back here. You use a 5mm torque. This is the screw. We go right in there. Just pop it out there. And right down that side. And there. Right down the end is where it's connected. You see, I have the new sensor already plugged in down there. I'm just gonna run it up into here now that I got the screw out of the old one. So let's get that out. All right, guys. So finally, that's done. It was a little bit painful. I'm not gonna lie. It was a little bit painful. Reason being is because if your car's like mine, it you know, it came from up north, and some of these connections, some of these sensors were, you know, they were a bit like just corroded and just pitted, you know, from bad weather and over the years. Because these were never changed. These are all original. So, you know, that's what prompted me to go to these and, you know, change the sensors. So I just started the car up. Problem is solved. So let me show you guys something. The front, make sure you can see that. The front and the back sensors, this is the back sensor. It's a little bit taller than the front sensor. I did make the mistake of putting one of the new ones in, one of the new front ones in the back, and then one of the back ones in the front. But when I got to the back, I realized the sensor wasn't going all the way in. And that's because that was just user error. That was my fault. So, you know, you guys save yourself some time and just take note that one sensor is longer than the other. The back sensor is longer. I mean, I should have known better anyway, because the wire is longer as well for the back. I mean, yeah, that's really it. These sensors, you could tell they needed to be changed anyway. These things are really bad. So let me show you guys. So all sensors are in. Start the car. ABS light is gone. Tire pressure light is gone. Traction light is gone. So my problem was solved. These, like I said before, this is just the back. The trunk is open right now. The airbag is because I'm running a quick release race wheel and the seat belt. as soon as I put my seatbelt off, that light's gonna go off. So I'll have no lights, and that of course is the brake light. That will go off as soon as I put the brake down. But that's it. Alright guys, so the problem was solved, you know, having the ABS traction and tire pressure light on. Once again, these sensors are your ABS and your speed sensor wires. Everything is just tied up in the Mini. And if you have a Mini, you already know that you can have one issue and it'd be something totally unrelated that actually needs to be fixed, because everything in the Mini Cooper is so compact, and a lot of the circuitry, I realized over the years of dealing with this car, a lot of the circuitry is actually intertwined and mixed with each other. Unlike other cars where it's like, okay, the light switch has a light relay or a light fuse or whatever the case may be, and everything is separated. With the Mini, a lot of the circuitry is intertwined. So I hope you guys find this video very helpful. Personally, these lights have been on my dash for probably like 3 years now. You know, I'm just not taking the time to actually refresh the entire Mini and do everything over on the Mini. And actually, so I could take the time out to do these videos, because I have a little extra time right now, so I could serve you guys and, you know, help you guys if this might be blowing your mind and you don't know what to do. Once again, I'm going to put the link down below. I'm all about saving money and doing it myself. You know, as you can see, I do everything myself. But instead of buying OEM sensors for $110, I've seen them for $90, I've seen them for $80. I found all 4 sensors for $25 shipped. Can't beat that. As you can see, it solved my problem. I mean, it's up to you guys if you want to go that route. It's the same exact things. Or if you want to buy the expensive ones, whatever you choose. If you're having the same symptoms as I was having with those 3 lights on the dash, this is your solve, this is your fix. And thanks guys. Until next time, please like, subscribe to my channel. I have a lot more videos, you know, to show you guys. I do have, I got like 2 requests. People wanted to see the car driving since I put the clutch in. No problem. I don't know why, but hey, it's cool. Whatever you guys want, whatever you guys need, just let me know. And if I can do it, I'll do it. I will be posting a video soon with the Mini, you know, doing some rolling shots and stuff like that. Thanks, guys. Peace. Until next time.